My high fidelity website design. This is easy to access, and the biggest difference between my app design and my website design is this menu bar. For example, it has Hull Book Festival in my signature font, which is not visible in the app design, as instead there's a menu bar. As most websites have, I've changed the menu to a pull down menu, which is significantly more aesthetically pleasing than a sidebar menu for a website. This is easily open and closable, and my menu bar also still features my logo. Like my app design, there's an image at the top for engagement as they're more memorable to users. And there's also still a venue location on the front page. This is easier for users who may not be tech savvy, and although this website is very easy and simple to navigate, people may struggle. Here, my events pages are still visible, and if you continue scrolling, there's more images and the top sponsors. A user may choose to view all of the events, and these are still small with recognizable icons, which are consistent with many other designs. A user may choose to a specific event, and through here they can see through homemade logos that they're easily recognizable and used throughout my website. Furthermore, you can see more about the event in a large font, which is easy for people who may struggle with smaller fonts, and you can add this to cart. Similar to the app, the checkout process is very simple and easy, allowing a person to choose their ticket, to continue through to the payment, and then continue through to the confirmed order. This large tick is also very significant as it's easily recognizable and a user will recognize it easy. Through the menu bar, you can choose sponsors, and you can also view the top sponsors. This is aesthetically pleasing and helps stakeholders whilst also following my brand design. A user may instead choose to view accessibility. This is easily readable and very accessible as it shows frequently asked questions, which may stop a person from instead trying to navigate the website that they may struggle with. Furthermore, my app is accessible because there's less pinching, touching, and swiping as many other apps, which will be accessible for people who struggle with that. Furthermore, they can view the vendors, and this common occurrence of all of my icons are used throughout the app as they're very recognizable and easy to understand, sending a message very quickly to my user as what they may need. Finally, a user may want to view events again, and here they're still spaced out, and this all follows my brand identity and theme for my festival. This is made clearly with my users in mind, as through my research I found that making an easily accessible website and app would be very easy, as well as using the colour which my user personas chose as most recognisable in regards to a book festival.